everybody, it's been a long time since I've done a video for you guys, and today I feel like it was the right time because I was redecorating my tree in my study and also the table for two, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here we go. You're gonna see the tree here all decked out now in more yellow, in the blues, and some white. I kept the sailboats and the dragonflies still on here and the few fish that I had of ornaments because I thought that it would just still go with the summer feel. We're not exactly into the fall just yet, so I'm still decorating for summer. But I thought that this would look just so bright and cheerful because in here, in my house, this room is basically the center of the house. And it is the first room that you see that you come into from the front of my home. So the first things you're going to see is my desk and the tree and the table and of course the beautiful curtains with that background of dunes. So yes, but what do you think? I think it looks gorgeous. I think it looks really airy and pretty and bright and cheerful. And it's a big tree. It's a 7-foot tree. So yes, and then of course I still kept my beautiful iridescent carnival glass bowls up there. Well, actually two of them are just, I think one is blue, the other one is, let me see, no, yep, the avocado green. I don't know what color exactly they call that color, but it's an avocado green. And there's the carnival blue glass, which is iridescent, and then over here on the other side you see the green one. Aren't they beautiful? And of course I still kept the ruby container up there because I just adore the color. It's just so beautiful. It's this really rich cranberry red color. And my ornaments, which you guys are probably used to by now, that I will probably never remove from here unless I ever moved out of this house. It's the safest place for me to have them and display them at the same time, and I just love them. Yes, because I'm so into the beach. Even though I've only been at the beach a few times in my life, I definitely love everything that's oceany and seaside-y and stuff like that. Here are the curtains, of course, still looking gorgeous and beautiful. At some point, I might change them out, maybe. I don't know. But I do love them. I love them. I just love them. I love the design of them. The color, of course, is such a beautiful, rich blue. I love the beading. Very nice. And then, of course, you have my desk. And, yep. Now, for the table, I made some changes. It's definitely a table for two, guys. Still keeping with that theme. Since I'm single, I thought it would be cute and romantic to have a table for two theme going on. Considering before it was like a family setting of 4, but now it's just 2. So there you go. So here at the table setting here is just made from a turquoise blue placemat, which is beautiful. Here it looks almost a different color. It doesn't look turquoise here. It looks more on the bluish side, but it is turquoise. Then you have the beautiful shiny metallic looking what do you call it? What do you call this thing here? The charger, and the white and blue striped plate with the shell iridescent little plate. And on top are these beautiful, beautiful bowls that definitely look like the ocean. And they can also look like they're spacey. And when I found these at Walmart for like 50 some cents, oh my gosh, I couldn't say no. I just couldn't. And so I got those bowls thinking of the Dune theme that I would be having in my then dining room. But here it is again, still being used in another setting, but still a tablescape, right? But in another room, like now it's my study. But the little corner here that I have of my study is where if I had company, they'd be sitting at. And they'd be seeing Kyle MacLachlan, of course, the main Dune, Paul Atreides. Very proud of that picture. My son got it for me, and it is autographed by him, so I am so proud of it. I have an art piece here from a friend from Instagram that I have met in person and have sold art with him and everything on some past occasions. So, yeah. Here, guys, is one of my poetry books that one of my poems, a very small, little humble poem called The Moon, was published in. This is an anthology book, a collection of poetry from around the world from different artists. This is the title, the volume. And at the time, I was married to my first husband, so therefore it's under Brenda Lee Quiros. And the reason why I put it here was not to show it off, basically. It was more to say that this cute little romantic, playful setting was a little spot where a couple could sit at, right, and read poetry to each other. That's right. And see, that's my main goal in life, to make more poetry and have it published and whatever, and short stories at some point, and be able to share them with the world and have them use them for these such occasions. I think it would be so beautiful. I can't wait to actually have something published. I am so excited. But yeah, I mean, why not, right? Back there, I have a blue carnival glass candy dish. Well, to me, it's a candy dish, but it's not. It's what do they call it? A compost or something like that. It's a beautiful bowl for anything that you want to put in it. Here was Rob's, or here is Rob's favorite carnival glass in peach bowl here that we had gotten, and of course I always adored it as well. The color is very beautiful, and we actually bought this during a sale that we did at the plaza downtown in Uvalde one time, and they were selling antiques. This one person was selling antiques, and so I stopped by while he was keeping tabs of the sellers or the buyers at our booth, and I brought this to him and he totally loved it, so we ended up getting it. And for the centerpiece, I have these beautiful blue rich hydrangeas with the very cute, playful looking faux leaves sitting in a big vase full of those glass beads. And they're just so beautiful, aren't they? And the table cover was actually given to me by my bestie. So I use this every once in a while now for the theme of Dune. Because why? Because it has leaves. It's got, plants on it, right? So it goes very well with the Dune theme. Then I have the beautiful iridescent light blue cake stand that my son had gotten us from Pier 1 years ago, and Pier 1 is no longer in existence, so it's a very rare find now. It's a very beautiful piece. And on top I just sat this really cute, playful plate that I had. I only had one because I bought it for that reason, just to use it as a serving dish or, just something decorative. So there's that right there. Here I just put some vines wrapped up on themselves, from my sweet pea that I had trimmed back a while back, and I just coiled it together and just put it on a thumbtack there, and there it is. And then of course I'm still having my little Dune mini poster that I got for my birthday, that my son got for me from the Barnes and Nobles. One of the guys that was working at the front actually just gave it to him for me. Wasn't that awesome? I got a free gift on my birthday in the past. I still have the hanging flowers, the hanging blue orchids with the turquoise colored peonies and the hanging hydrangeas, which I think are beautiful. And over here on this corner where the Dune windows are, I just moved off the red geraniums and stuck them in here, and I took out what was there before, but I wanted the purple trailing flowers that it had that looked like these salmon colored ones, but they were purple. I took those out, and then I just put in the red ones to just complement the red of the chairs, the red of the glasses, which are iridescent, by the way. They're really pretty. And the little red and white striped towels used as napkins. But I thought that would look so cute and inviting and different, because you know me, I'm very playful. I love to decorate. I love to have fun. This is what my future man, I kid you not, is going to have to put up with, okay? He's going to have to put up with my decorating wherever we end up living. I am going to be decorating my heart out for him because he's going to appreciate it, right? And love me even more for it because I'm just that way. So, yeah, I can't wait till that happens. But, yes. Oh, and let me tell you, right here on this little miniature cake platter or cake stand, and the little miniature salt and pepper shakers that I had gotten once from the Cracker Barrel when my son took me out to eat, and I thought that they were so cute. And the stripes, of course, go with the striped plates and napkins, which I think is just adorable, and the colors all fit in. So there you go. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, ask me. Be kind, be gentle, guys. You know that I've had it rough and tough. And I'm still hanging on. I'm still doing what I can. I'm still trying to stay creative. I'm still trying to be playful and kind and loving and warm to anybody and everybody that shows me the same. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little view of my study. And I hope that y'all will leave your comments and, give me your support. And if you're new to my channel and you happen to stumble across it, I hope that this is your vibe. And if it is, please join my channel. If possible, I wouldn't mind it growing. I really wouldn't, but it's all up to you guys. And I'm in no rush. So, just take your time, enjoy the view, enjoy what I can show you. And I will see about making more videos as time goes on. I have been very busy painting. I'm trying to work on another series altogether. And we're thinking, my son and I, of doing other shows maybe in the future in another play setting. So we're going to see what happens. We're just, we're experimenting. And it's all about timing. And it's all about, just being able to have the spare time to do anything. My son is like ultra busy, poor baby, but he's doing his best and he's still there for mom. And, what could I ask for, right? I mean, he's my treasure. He is my little rock. And yeah, now I need a bigger rock. So I hope you guys enjoy this and know that I love you and think about everyone. And yeah, just be patient with me. And I'm sorry if I haven't seen y'all's videos. But it's that when I sit down, guys, I sit down to work. I sit down to write. I sit down to eat. I sit down to even paint, okay? And I will view some videos when I can. And I try to, I keep y'all in my head. That's all I can say. I do keep y'all in my head, and I pray for you guys. So do the same for me, okay? So until next time, this is Brey's Ways. I love you guys. Bye-bye.